As many of you know, it's open enrollment time for benefits, including health insurance. But for many Metro families, this time is marked with nerves and flat-out uncertainty.
So local organizations working to change that by trying to help families get the coverage they need. Fox 4's Malik Jackson's working for you live at the Samuel Rogers Health Center in Northeast Kansas City, Missouri, where this important work is underway. Malik?
Yeah, John and Lauren, important work indeed. You know, here they say health insurance is something that everybody needs, but increasingly not everybody has it, including over 52,000 kids right here in Missouri alone that have lost their health insurance just this year, on top of the thousands that already do not have the proper coverage. But like he had, Samuel U. Rogers, the mission he had, they're expanding on it and helping to bridge the gap with so many families right here in our community. Thousands of people walk through these doors day in and day out, many of whom pick the Samuel U. Rogers Health Center because it's the only place they feel heard.
It's only a phone call away. It's only just a talk here and there, fill out some info. There you go.
One of those people, Leo DeLeon, who for the past 2 years has relied on this place to help him secure the health insurance he and his family desperately need. In fact, something DeLeon knows they can't live without.
Your health matters, first of all. Second, it's just, there has to be some kind of safety net, something to help out.
While COVID-19 raged, people on Medicaid were not forced to have their annual renewals. The Rogers Center says those have started back up this year, kicking more than 109,000 people in Missouri off of Medicaid, including 52,000 kids. That number on top of the thousands who are already just not insured.
Let's say a mother shows up at a point.
That's where Jim Torres and his team of healthcare counselors introduce themselves.
Unfortunately, a lot of people are losing health insurance coverage right now. Children do better when they've got health insurance. They can get their immunizations, they can get their preventative care.
They are helping people get back on Medicaid, as well as helping those who aren't eligible for that apply to the open market.
Everyone, regardless of your color, your religion, where you came from, deserve the right to have access to quality, affordable health care.
The work not easy, but absolutely vital, especially for the underprivileged communities that Torres and his team mainly help. Groups that traditionally have had more health care needs, but many times lack the appropriate coverage. If you could say something to someone who doesn't have health insurance right now, what would you say? One sentence.
There are a lot of good options available, a lot of new options, and it's time to act now.
And that's their message that they want to send loud and clear. Act now, and we are working for you. If you or someone you know needs this help, go to fox4kc.com and click on this story. Everything you need to know is right there. And of course, act now. Lauren.
Good advice. Malik Jackson, thank you, in Northeast Kansas City tonight.